Hi, I'm Dave Gara. I'm working with Richmond Scientific. If you recently acquired or started using a HPL system and want to know more about what you're doing, then we can offer a range of training courses to help you. We can start off with the basics of HPLC to actually find out what's happening when you're injecting samples on your column, where the peaks are coming from, what solvents you're supposed to use. We can offer instrument-specific ones and software-specific training. So these can be at a beginners, at an intermediate or at an advanced level. If you want to get the spanners out and you want to start kind of repairing and maintaining your HPLC system, we can also offer troubleshooting and maintenance courses. All these training courses can be built fully bespoke, so we can build it for your particular needs, and we can offer them on your site using your instrument and your facilities, or you can come and visit us in our training facility in Chorley. Whatever your problems or your training needs, feel free, just get in touch.